semi-final in the under-20 girls 100 hurdles. There is 279 Bryana Davidson of the Cayman Islands. There's the two-time under-17 100 hurdles champion at the Carifta Games, Bryana Davidson of Jamaica, 13:45 at her best. She's very good. Maya Rollins of Barbados, a windy 13:57 coming in, 2.9 meters per second behind her. Outside of her, Bailey Major of the Bahamas, outside 14 seconds this season at 14:13. Jenna Marie Thomas, second in the under-17 final last year, third last night at 400 hurdles in the under-20s, was really brilliant in that race. Zaza France, twice she was an under-17 bronze medalist, including last year. She steps up to the under-20s for Curacao. No, Luana Ponzola of Martinique on the outside. Semi-final two in the 100 hurdles for under-20 girls.
And several former medalists in this one at the under-17 level, so this one's going to be, those three would be the ones expected to go through. But you have to negotiate those hurdles. Jenna Marie Thomas would be full of confidence going into this one.
Couldn't make the Carifta team last year. Bryana Davidson, despite her absolute quality, because of the depth of sprint hurdling in her country, but also the depth of sprint hurdling at her own school. Second semi-final, under 20 girls, 100 hurdles. 3 short to go through. Oh, Bailey Major of the Bahamas has gone quickly, and she could be in serious trouble here.
The look on her face says it all. Looking down, she sees the official coming across, and she knows it's not going to be good news for her. Well, the card was shown. Now the official looks away to her right. Here's how it happened. Yep. Very, very clear indeed. And she has to leave the track. Wondering what the discussion was about. It wasn't cut and dried by any means. There was a little bit of a discussion. A couple other officials got involved. But the look of disappointment, you know the emotions will come out.
Always unfortunate. The favorite still there. Davidson of Jamaica in lane number 3. Hunting a third Carifta gold medal, first at the under 20 level. She has the outstanding Tiana Marshall to deal with, who won the first semi-final. Marshall beat her at the Jamaican Carifta trials as well. Up they go. Davidson responded to the gun well. Maya Rollins of Barbados moving into second position now. Davidson chased by Rollins. Davidson wins ahead of the US-born Barbadian, who crosses the line in second position. 13:64 on the clock downstairs. That will be adjusted, no doubt, but the business-like Bryana Davidson of Jamaica wins the second semi-final in 13:73.
And clinching that third automatic spot is Bryana Davidson of the Cayman Islands, and Jenna Marie Thomas, the silver medalist in the under-17 last year. She is in that fourth position, so she could be in some trouble here. We'll have to take a close look at that time.
A little bit surprising. Sometimes it can be difficult after the exertions of the night before, especially when you've done well. Adrenaline flowing, might not have gotten enough rest, and then you have to turn up the next morning for 100 hurdles qualifying. Bryana Davidson, fresh, the Jamaican, and looking really smart in qualifying. Here is confirmation, negative 1.7, 1373. Maya Rollins of Barbados, 1387. Anderson, 1436. Jenna Marie Thomas at 1446.
What's up, viewers, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to yet another new video. Kindly like the video. Viewers, here we are having a very fantastic and impressive track and field event. Girls 100 meters handle sprint, Carifta Games 2025 in Trinidad and Tobago. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, before I dive direct to the video, allow me to much welcome our new subscribers. Welcome aboard, and thank you so much for being part of this amazing family. You are highly appreciated. Welcome and feel at home. And if you have not yet subscribed to this amazing family, please consider doing so. Subscribe is free of charge. Guiding my people, take me to 10k subscribers. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we have a new video. To all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. You my people, you are great people. Bless up yourself. Yeah man, we are seeing a brilliant performance from Jamaican girl Bryana Davidson, flying, dominating the field, beating other great girls at the tee of other Caribbean island nations in this 100 meters hurdle sprint Carifta Games 2025 track and field event in Trinidad and Tobago. So amazing, and as I always say, in the comment section down below here, let's congratulate all the young ladies participating in this fastest 100 meter handle track and field event, Carifta Games 2025 in Trinidad and Tobago. And guys, Jamaican Bryana Davidson is one of the upcoming greatest athletes in Jamaica, young athlete, upcoming. And she joins the likes of Tia Clinton, Arana Reid, and many others, as you can name them. Akara Nugent, Nicole Bramer, Shaquin Gordon, Jaher Haider, Christophe Bryan, Brianna Williams, among others. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a clear indication that Jamaica future in track and field event, especially this sprinting event, is very, very bright. It's very, very bright. As you can see, as so many upcoming athletes are showing up, and they are not just showing up, they are really doing magnificent. And guys, as you all know, this year 2025 track and field event have already kicked off. We are expecting much from our athletes, and they have promised Jamaican and their fans that they will definitely perform as expected. So we are waiting for them in the upcoming tracks and field event, as well as World Championships later in the year 2025 in Tokyo, Japan. So guys, keep tuned, keep it locked here, because definitely I'll bring to you all the events as they happen. Blessings.